This training video provides an overview of the Avigilon H5A Multisensor camera. This camera offers multi-directional coverage from a single vantage point to help better protect communities. The H5A Multisensor camera has various mounting options to better suit different environments. For this training video, the pendant mount option will be overviewed. The pendant mount is designed to withstand tough conditions with an IK10 rating for vandal resistance and IP66/67 rating for water resistance. Optional adaptive IR technology extracts details in scenes with zero light. The pendant mount adapter may be used in conjunction with a pendant wall mount or a pendant NPT mount. Let's overview the pendant wall mount. Refer to the H5A Multisensor camera installation guide for other mount options. The installation guide is located on the Avigilon website. Located here is the lanyard. This connects to the lanyard anchor on the mounting adapter. The three star-shaped captive screws fix the mounting adapter to the pendant wall mount. Highlighted here is the NPT pipe entry hole. It is a threaded 3/4-inch hole for NPT pipe conduits. Shown here is the cable entry hole. Cables may be threaded through this hole if an NPT pipe is not used. The installation video will cover this in more detail. Use the holes here to mount the adapter to a surface with bolts. In the next segment, let's look at the pendant mount adapter. The safety lanyard attaches to this anchor to prevent the adapter from falling during installation. Shown here is an alignment tab. This is used to align with the lanyard clip on the dome cover. Connect to the lanyard anchor on the dome cover with this lanyard. Highlighted here is the cable entry hole. Cables required for camera operation run through here. This lanyard connects to the lanyard anchor on the camera base. In the next segment, let's overview the camera base. Located here is the lanyard anchor. The safety lanyard attaches to this anchor to prevent the camera from falling during installation. Highlighted here is the IR ring cable connector. The IR ring cable connector accepts an optional IR cable connection to power and control the IR illuminator ring. Shown here are the audio, input-output, and auxiliary powered pigtail connectors. The Ethernet port accepts a connection to a network. Server communication and image data transmission occur over this connection. It also receives power when connected to a network that provides power over Ethernet. The serial number tag provides device information, the product serial number, and the part number. Next, let's take a look at the top view of the camera. Each multi-sensor camera has multiple camera heads that can be moved, aimed, and focused on monitoring different scenes. Depending on your camera model, there may be 3 or 4 camera heads. Each camera can be adjusted easily by friction. For ease of use, the camera heads can be moved and aimed by a simple adjustment and stay in place without locking mechanisms. 3 captive screws are used to fix the camera to the mounting adapter. Use the highlighted firmware revert button to reset the camera to its factory default settings. For more information on this topic, consult the H5A Multisensor camera installation guide or the H5A Multisensor camera installation video. Shown here are the 2 micro SD card slots. Between the micro SD card slots is a micro USB connector slot. This port accepts a micro USB connector for connecting mobile and compact devices. Shown here is the link LED indicator. The amber LED indicator signifies an active connection in the Ethernet port. Next to the link LED indicator is the connection status LED indicator. The green LED indicator provides information about the device's operation. Located here is the PoE selector switch. This camera head should be moved clockwise to uncover the switch. This switch provides compatibility with legacy HPoE injectors incompatible with the 802.3 BT standard. Note that the B position shown above is the default. The A position should be used for the compatible injectors displayed. This label shows further information on the PoE switch and will need to be discarded during or prior to installation. For more information on this topic, consult the installation guide. Shown here is the optional IR ring. If used, install the IR ring to the dome cover before the dome installation. Use the connector highlighted here to connect the IR ring to the ring cable connector on the camera base. Detailed instructions for installing the IR ring are shown in the camera installation guide and in the camera installation video. In the following segment, let's look at the dome cover. For the pendant installation, ensure the correct dome cover is ordered. Shown here is the outdoor dome cover. The dome cover is available in two color options, which are clear and smoke. Highlighted here are the star-shaped captive screws. These screws fix the dome cover to the base. This completes the overview of the Avigilon H5A Multisensor camera. To review the pendant installation of this camera, refer to the H5A Multisensor camera installation video.